Welcome to Calgary, Alberta, where urban energy meets natural beauty, a dynamic city known as the gateway to the Rockies. Founded in 1875, Calgary is the largest city in Alberta with a population of over 1.3 million. It's a hub for Canada's oil and gas industry and boasts one of the highest standards of living in the country. It's also known as one of Canada's greenest cities. Starting our journey in the heart of downtown, we take a stroll on the scenic Bow River pathway and visit Prince's Island Park and the Peace Bridge. Follow along as we explore Chinatown, view the iconic Calgary Tower for panoramic views, and discover the rich history at Heritage Park. Calgary is the gateway to the majestic Canadian Rockies. Guess where we're headed? Come on, little guy, you can make it. Prince's Island Park, an urban oasis where Calgary's heart beats in harmony with nature. Nestled along the Bow River, this island park is a haven for relaxation and recreation. Join us as we stroll winding trails with stunning city and nature views at every turn. It's a sanctuary for wildlife with peaceful ponds and vibrant flower gardens. Welcome to Calgary's Peace Bridge, where art meets engineering. Designed by world-renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, this stunning pedestrian bridge spans 130 meters across the Bow River. Its unique tubular design isn't just eye-catching, it's built for all, with dedicated lanes for cyclists and walkers. Connecting the downtown to scenic pathways, the Peace Bridge is a symbol of unity and progress. Calgary,
right by the Peace
Park,
Bridge.
right by the Peace Bridge, enjoying a lovely 68 degrees, ready to head to lunch. Welcome to Calgary's iconic Family of Man, a powerful symbol of unity and diversity. Created by artist Mario Armengol in 1967, these 21 towering figures represent humanity's shared bond, regardless of background or culture. Standing at over 6 meters tall, their elongated forms evoke strength, resilience, and connection. Located downtown, this public art installation invites visitors to reflect on our collective journey as a global family. Standing tall in the heart of the city is the iconic Calgary Tower. In just 62 seconds, you're lifted 191 meters above the bustling streets. From up here, on a clear day, it's a 360-degree feast for the eyes. Majestic mountains to the west and sprawling prairies to the east, but unfortunately it's quite hazy today. Feeling brave? Go ahead and step onto the glass floor for a thrilling view straight down. Welcome to Heritage Park Historical Village in Calgary, where history isn't just remembered, it's relived. Spanning over 127 acres, this is Canada's largest living history museum.
Now, this synagogue wouldn't have just been a center of worship for the community. It would also be a school, a community center. And in this school, young children would be educated in communicating in English, Yiddish, as well as Hebrew. This is the Prince House. This was once the former home of Peter Prince. Now, he wasn't always Peter Prince. Originally from Trois-Rivières, Quebec, he was previously known as Pierre-Antoine Prince. Three things that I absolutely love about this house is that it's built in one of my favorite architectural styles, the Queen Anne style, as you can see from its asymmetrical manor shape. Okay. The Prince House was added to Heritage Park July 1st, 1967 for Canada Centennial celebrations and has been a part of what I like to call the face of Heritage Park ever since.
Welcome to the Sandstone House. Hello. Have you been here before?
No.
Do you know why they call it the Sandstone House?
No.
It's made out of sandstone. There we go. I'll give you one that's a trick question. So, what kind of a bear is that?
It looks like a polar bear. But...
Looks like one, aye, but it isn't. That's what we call a cinnamon bear. So that's when a black bear is born blonde. And it was a popular substitute for polar bear rugs back in the day. They were all the rage in the late 1800s, but hard to obtain on the prairies. So there we go. We've got another dead animal over here. That's a wolf. That was donated by Peter Lougheed, late Premier of Alberta. That makes it the youngest artefact in the house. The oldest artefact in the house is this piano, which dates likely from the 1870s and is therefore about 20 years older than the house itself, which was only built in 1891. Believe it or not, she still plays. Would you like to hear a wee tune?
Yes.
There we go. There's no Amazing Grace. I'll try that one. There we go.
Beautiful. Thank
Excellent.
you. Time to leave Calgary and make our way towards Banff. Thanks for watching.